thank you all for being here. My name is Parag Bajaria, and I'm one of the founders of Rendewoo. At Rendewoo, we are trying to make a product that finds you relevant events to go to and meet relevant people at the event. So, discovering good tech events is difficult, and the reason why it's difficult is there are too many events. Just between, if you count Eventbrite and Meetup, there are 3 million events per day. So what that means is that there are 8,500 events a day happening, all right? So we said, okay, let's do an experiment, right? All I want to do is find out what are mobile-related events in the Bay Area coming this week. That's all I wanted to know. I had to search Eventbrite, I went to search Meetup, I searched LinkedIn, and I did Google search. It took me around almost hour and a half to discover, 26 events, and I have no idea of the quality of the events. This is just the discovery process. So at Rendewoo, we want to make this simple, all right? So we go out and do some curation. We know people like Sid. We've kept in touch with other meetup groups, so we curate the best events. And then we use our super smart algorithms to find other events that could be interesting. So we use page search, we use Twitter feed information, Google PageRank to rank events. And what we end up doing is generating kind of like a cloud score for events, okay? And then we present this event in a very simple way, just a list of events, okay? Easy, simple. So now you've figured out which event you want to go to. Now what? Well, going to events is all about meeting people, okay, making the connections. We've all gone to an event and have not known about the backgrounds of other people that are here. So we end up just talking to the person who is sitting next to you. And sometimes those conversations are fruitful, but many times they are not. The reason for that is that we go to the events and we have our intents. Why are we at a particular event? So for this event, my intention would be to meet an Android developer because I'm trying to create an Android version of Rendewoo. I'm trying to meet a social media marketing expert because we're trying to launch this product in a bigger way. And I want to meet anybody here who's here from Cornell University. I'm from Cornell. I would love to say hello. If I want to do this, I would have to go to the Meetup event page, look at everybody's profile, get their names, look on LinkedIn, Facebook, Google, and so on. So we did this experiment for around 20 people. And on the average, it took me 3 minutes to find somebody. Then, if you multiply that number by 183 people who had RSVP'd, that would be about 9 hours before I can figure out who is here. Okay. At Rendewoo, we want to make this easy. We want to give you a quick summary of all the people who are at the event so that you can find out who's here from Facebook, who's here from Google, who's a software engineer, who's a UI, UX designer, somebody from communication industry. Then, we want to give you a one-line summary of each of the attendees. Where do they work at? What do they do? Real easy and fast. And we give you a list of people whom you share some common background with. You went to the same university, you're from the same town, and so on. The Rendewoo experience is all about you, the event attendees. We want to make your life easier. So, you discover the interesting events on Rendewoo. You connect with the people that you're interested in meeting before the event. At the event, you do one-on-one networking. And if need be, you can connect with them after the event by just doing a LinkedIn invite or something. So, help us help you. Please download the app, check into this event, meet some new people at this event, and give us feedback. That's it. Thank you for your attention.